find the value of n so that 3 power n times 4 power 2 equal 1296. Okay, you have to make a try and error process, like try to substitute n by 1 and then see the result and substitute n by 2 so that, or there is easier method. Sure, there is easier method, but let's have a look on trying substituting n by any value starting from 1. If we substitute n by 1, it would be 3 power 1 and any number power 1, which means it's the same number, which is 3 times 16, which is 48. So it's not the answer. And then we'll substitute n by 2. So what's 3 power 2? It's 9, right? 3 power 2, which means 3 times 3, so it's 9. 9 times 16, so it will be 9 times 10 plus 9 times 6, which is 90 plus 54, and sure, it's not also the answer. And now let's substitute n by 3, which will be 3 power 3, which means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 times 16. Okay, what's 27 times 16? We will think about it without calculator by distributing 16 into 10 and 6, 10 plus 6. So we will multiply 27 firstly by 10, which is 270, then multiply 27 by 6, which is 162, and then add these two values to be 432. Not yet, our number is much bigger than 432. So let's check when we substitute n by 4 and then calculate the result. Yes, it will be 1296 if we make it by standard multiplication. So is there a faster or easier method? Yes, let's have a look on the powers of 3, or especially the ones digit of the powers of 3, which is 3971. 3971. We have to memorize these ones digit. It's majorly used in our calculations. We have to concentrate our eyes looking at these numbers here, because multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit will require us to multiply these ones digits first. These ones digit first. That will help us know the ones digits here in the result. And now we know the ones digit of the result, which is 6. So now let's ask ourselves, what is the number or what is the digit that will be written here that when multiplied by 6 will result in 6 here in the ones digit? Let's think about this number now. So now we want to know which number of these, or exactly which ones of these we will use here. Let's have a look. Is it 3 or 9 or 7 or 1? It will be either 3 or 9 or 7 or 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. Let's see which one of these we will take. When we multiply these two digits with each other, it will reflect to the result here. So this digit here will help us to know which digit that must be written here. How? Okay, the digit that will be written here will be multiplied to 6, so that the result here must be 6 also. Why? I just said why. When the ones digit of the result that will be written here is 6, it will be added to 0 to result also into 6 in the final result. Okay, so what I have to think, this 6 or this digit is the ones of result when multiplying this 6 by this unknown digit. So let's see what this number could be. Sure, it'd be one of these digits. Okay, let's try. If we multiply 6 by 7, the result will be 42. So the ones will not be 6, it will be 2. So 7 will not be used. And then if we multiply 6 by 9, the result will be 54. So the ones will not be 6. So 9 will not be used. And if we multiply 6 by 3, the ones digit of the result will be 8, as 6 times 3 is 18. So this 3 is not used. or if multiply the 6 by 1, the result will be 6. Okay, now I know that the digit I need, which will be written here, it will be 1. Or the ones digit of the powers of 3, it will be 1. Okay, let's have a look to the first 4 results of the powers of 3. That includes 1 in the ones digit. It will be 3 to the power of 4, which result in 81. Let's try using 81 here. And if we continue answering this multiplication sentence, we will find, yes, it's right. It's 81, which is 3 power 4. So now we know 3 power what? 3 power 4. Now here the value of n is just 4. And 4 is the correct power to get this result. Thank you.